This 2022 Forest River R-Pod 193 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy Bed. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River R-Pod 193 is 3,654 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.